Hello everyone, this is lesson number 16, HSK free, and let's continue. The first word for today is 锻炼, 锻炼, to do physical exercise. It's pretty hard, as you can see, it's pretty hard characters, but it's pretty simple to use. 锻炼, let's see. I exercise in the park. 我在公园锻炼. 锻炼. So as you can see, it's a verb. So we use like a verb. 我在 I'm at 公园 park, public park 锻炼 to do an exercise. Be careful, do not say 锻炼 because it's 锻炼. Let's see. Okay, let's skip for now, but 锻炼, it's to do exercise. Let's see next one. He exercises every day. 他每天都锻炼。他每天 every day 都 it's like for emphasizing that it's happened every day. Don't skip even one day. 锻炼 to do exercise. So 他每天都锻炼 two fourth tones to do exercise. Next one, exercising makes me feel even more comfortable. 锻炼让我更舒服，更舒服。让 no, it's 让 It's makes someone feel something or allow someone to do something. But here is just make something. 锻炼让我 exercises makes me feel even more comfortable. 让我更舒服，更 it's even more, 更 more. 舒服 it's comfortable. There is a lot of new words here, but we slowly see in these lessons, in these two free lessons, every word we meet in this every sentence. So 锻炼让我更舒服，舒服 it's to feel comfortable. So the exercise let me or makes me feel more comfortable. 锻炼让我更舒服，更舒服。Next one, it's also pretty simple word. It's 公园 park. 公 it's a public, 园 it's a park or some space for any activities. There are many people in the park. 公园里有很多人，很多人，很多人。公园里 inside of this park, 里 inside of something. 有 has or there are 很多很多 a lot 人 person. So 公园里有很多人，很多人 a lot of people. Next one, I listen to music in the park. 我在公园听音乐，听音乐。Let's see. 我在 I'm at or I in the somewhere. 我在公园 I'm at the park. 我在公园听 Here is first one. 听 it's to listen something. 听音乐 音乐 it's music. 音乐 be careful, this one has a lot of pronunciation. One of them 乐 there is Another one we will see later. So 我在公园听音乐 I'm in the park listening to music or listen to music. Next one. The park is very clear and pleasant. 公园很清楚。清楚 it's a new word, represent clear. For example, it's clear when it's not messy, no rubbish inside, no trash inside, but also represent, for example, did you get me clear, or what I said is it clear to you? So like understandable. Sometimes you can say 我听不清楚. I hear but I don't, but it's not clear. So 清楚 it's clear. 公园很清楚 the park is very clear. 公园很清楚. Maybe some variation. Okay. Next one is 音乐会. 音乐 it's a music. 音乐 music. 会 we know 会 as a I will to do something or I can to do something. For example, 你会不会说汉语? Can you speak Chinese? But here's 会 is a meeting, a lot amount of people. They stay together, like concert, like meeting in the office. Also, you can say 开会 or 会. So 音乐会 it's a concert, music meeting, you can say. I go to the concert to listen to music. 清楚 it's clear, sure, known, clearly. So a lot of different variation. This way. 音乐会. Will, we know it's like will, can, may, but there is another one. Gathering. So when a lot of people gathering together to listen to music, it's 音乐会 concert. Let's see. I go to a concert to listen to music. 我去音乐会听音乐. I go to 我去 to where? 音乐会 I go to concert to do what? 听音乐 to listen to music. 听音乐 So 我去音乐会听音乐. Next one. The concert is very special. 音乐会很特别 it's special 特别 it's also a new word. For example, you are very special, you can say 你是很特别 or 你很特别. But sometimes there's a special gift for you. 这个礼物很特别哦，这个特别礼物是对你的，是对你，是 for you. 音乐会很特别 So this concert is very special. 很特别 But put your attention on 音乐会 because we later learn this one also. Next one. He suddenly left the concert. 他突然 离开音乐会。突然 it's suddenly, unexpectedly. 离开 it's to leave something, to left. No, leave or left. 音乐会 concert. So, 他突然离开音乐会。He suddenly left concert. So next one, it's 帮忙 It's to help, to do somebody a favor, but it also could be a noun, not only a verb, like you can hear. Also, could be a noun. Let's see. He helps by bringing glasses. 他帮忙拿眼镜。眼镜 is glasses. Glasses, it's on your eyes. This one, not glasses. This is not caps. 眼镜 it's glasses. Put on your glasses. 他帮忙 he helps 帮忙拿 to bring to take 眼镜 glasses. So he helps by bringing glasses. 他帮忙拿眼镜 Next one, I ask him to help by giving a lesson. 我请他帮忙讲课。我请他请 is to ask someone to do something. So 我请他 I ask him. We know ask like when to ask a question, but it's not a question. It's ask someone to do something, to do a favor, not a question. So 我请他帮忙 to help 讲课 it's 讲 it's to teach someone to do something or give a lesson. 课 it's a lesson. 课 lesson. So 讲课 it's to give a lesson, to teach a lesson, to conduct a lesson, you can say. 讲课. This 讲 also has a lot of translation. One of them is speak, tell, say, preach, explain, lecture. So here is lecture, explain something, to do something. So, but also could be speak. For example, but you speak good Mandarin too. So in this variation. Here is just to explain, to teach someone. 我请他帮忙讲课。Let's see next one. She always helps. 她总是帮忙 is to help someone. 总是 it's always to do something. 总是她总是帮忙 she always helps. 她总是帮忙 And let's see. Last one for today. It's 离开 to leave, to depart from. 离开 we know 开 we know 离 it's I think before we didn't learn it's a distance from your house, for example, from your school. For example, 从我家 or you can say 我家离你的工作 from my home to your job. 离 here is 离 shows a distance from somewhere to somewhere, but it also has a meaning of to leave. So 离开 it's I think 开 is like to open the door and to leave. 离开 to leave. He left the park very late. 他离开 公园很晚，很晚。So 他离开 he left 公园 park 很晚 very late。他离开公园很晚 very late。晚 is late。I suddenly left home。我突然离开家。First one 家。我突然离开家。I suddenly I suddenly 突然离开 to leave 家 it's a home. So 我突然离开家。I suddenly left home. And last one, she left the concert. 她离开音乐会了。So here is left because it's a past simple. So 离开 works together with了。她离开音乐会了。Sometimes we can say 她离开了音乐会。But it's sometimes better to put it in the end. 了。他离开音乐会了。So she 离开 left 音乐会 music concert 音乐会。Let's repeat what we learned today. First one is 锻炼 to do physical exercise. Next one 公园 park public park open park and in your street. 音乐会 it's one word and 会 it's another word, but they work together like one word. 音乐会 music concert. 帮忙 to help 帮忙。离开 to leave. And so this one on the next lesson. And let's learn one new idiom for today. 16. It's really interesting. Let's see. 口是心非口it's a mouth. 是 it's a is or true or yes. 心 it's a heart. And 非 it's a not, like a boo, not. So 口是心非 what does it mean? Saying one thing but meaning another one. Why? Because your mouth say yes 口是 but heart is not 心非。So it's if someone speaks very untrue. It's this one. So let's see the example. He says one thing but means another, so I don't trust him. You can say this is meant two faces. So one thing but do another. 他口是心非. So he's as you can see it's one big phrase, so you just put it on after the 他口是心非. He speaks one thing but means another. 我不相信他 I don't trust him. 相信 is to trust someone. 我不相信他 I don't trust him. 我不相信他 I don't trust him. So it's really interesting and really easy to remember. 口是心非口是心非。So that's all for today. See you in the next one.